Hello everybody, my name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm out here at Elizabeth Riggins' house in Conyers, Georgia. Today we're going to be testing the repairability of this roof. As you can clearly see from close-ups, a lot of these shingles don't even have granules anymore. They are very brittle shingles. I think the independent adjuster who was on site can attest to that. We had a discussion about that, but here we are with a, repair estimate. So today we're going to be removing this damaged shingle right here. It is these three tabs. As you can see, the tab ends right there, vice versa on this end. It is not part of these two damaged shingles. So I'll be removing that shingle right there. I'm gonna put the phone down so you guys can follow along during this process with me. This nail is overdriven. Oh man, thank goodness. A nail right there. A lot of these nails aren't in the correct spot. That one was way up under the shingle. Okay, should be the last one. Go ahead and put the new shingle in. Alrighty, guys. As you can see, pretty much I think any reasonable person would look at this roof and know that this is not, in a repairable state or condition. Pretty much on every slope, not only just south, but also your north slope. You can see just from the repair. There's barely any granules on these shingles anyways, but that's sweat, of course. You can see from these shingles that the mat has broken on basically every single one from this repair. Now, as you can tell, this probably isn't a good example because these shingles are so worn. None of these shingles were affected during the repair. So as I rub my hands across lightly, the few granules that are left are still intact. Now, these are the rows of shingles that were affected during the repair. And as you can tell, I can rub my hands across these and the granules disperse off of these shingles. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys. Go ahead and get some close-ups on these broken shingles. I'll go ahead and chalk it. Thank you for your consideration.